Extremely happy because Podar has given us a platform to not only from the education but even extracurricular activities, like she is able to enhance her skills in other things apart from education. And one of the reasons why we chose Podar is obviously because of the opportunity to combine IB and Cambridge together, where she gets to get both the platforms in one school. So we're very happy with her performance and seeing her grow not only as in education but also in extracurricular. So thank you very much, Podar, for giving us this opportunity.
Ash has been here for the last 4 years and I've seen his growth. He's grown in confidence. His learning is very good. He retains all the stuff that the teacher teaches him, and there are things that I learn from him at times.
I'm extremely happy with my child's progress, especially with reading. It was a big struggle initially when the school had started and the kids had not done much of reading in the senior KG. And the way the class teacher has taken up the whole reading, she's not forced the children, she's not made them feel like they are lacking at something. At the same time, the learning has taken place. Tremendous progress which is seen through. I'm very happy. Even when it comes to writing, it was a big struggle. There also we see a lot of improvement. When your child loves coming to school, there has to be a big reason, and the child is happy, the parent is happy, progress is happening, we are all happy. Thank you so much.
She's been developing a lot of self-management and research skill through her work on the simple machine which she developed, where she learned about the various forces, both balanced and unbalanced forces. And so I like to thank the school management to be able to inculcate these skills at a very early age, and we're very happy that she's developing into a very confident. Thank you so much.
Arina has been doing a lot of work in school and I'm very impressed with her progress. Into a storyboard wherein the children had to get together and they had to create their own story, their own monster. They had to do a pictographic representation of the same, and Arina and her team, they did it, at the age of 6 to imagine, then to draw it, represent it, create an entire story. I think that is an amazing effort, because it really helps the kid. It helps their imagination skill, it helps their thinking skills, their communication skills, because they're able to explain the same to the entire classroom. And I think that is an amazing approach to education. And what Podar is doing right now is just phenomenal, because everything is so child-centric and they encourage children to come out and be their own people. And I think that's amazing.
Kids are being guided and directed in a proper direction. We see the end product of it, and that's what I can see in my son, that when he joined in first grade and now he's in 5th grade, I see a lot of growth as a person, where I see that kids have been given enormous opportunity. Every strength has been actually brought up. The potential has been brought up, they've been nurtured, and you can say they have just made them as a better person and an individual. Thank you so much. I'm so glad. He's in 5th grade, and I'm hoping that he enjoys and continue to learn and throughout. I'm so glad that he's part of Podar International.
Arush improved very well with his math skills. Like when we just go out to the mall or the market, I see him using the money and relating with what he's done in school. So that's really good. I really appreciate the school for putting such kind of knowledge in them at this age. And even with his English, he has really improved in the way he's reading his books and showing interest in different authors. And we go to shop and then he wants to buy new books for the same. So I'm very thankful to the school for giving this opportunity to them, to being exposed to such things at such a small age.